And I'm here now at Lake Cebu. And looking at some souvenirs. And walking down the slope. Oh, I love these. Anna, they're screaming already. What torture. Okay. Whoa! Oh my goodness. Oh, I've been there, done that. This woman is collecting agiin shells from the river. And I believe this is the first falls. Look at that.
Kinabalikan nyo na.
Oh, 50 pesos. The first of the seven falls, Lake Cebu. Lake Cebu, the first falls. And I don't know about these water hyacinths. They're native to the place because let's go up the bridge for more photo opportunities. There are monkeys roaming freely in this area. So look, monkey is amo in Ilonggo. Amo, moy, 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 moy. That's how you call the monkeys. Moy, 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 moy. Behind me. Where'd he go? There's another monkey. They're pretty harmless. They're just minding their own business. Moy, 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 moy. Second falls of Lake Cebu. Lake Cebu is up there. Amo to, Lake Cebu. Door sa mga Carabao. Oh, kay tanawa ba na, yellow-yellow ang tubig. And we're here at Punta Isla restaurant where life begins. So, let's come in.
Ebs, di ba kung sa Tagalog na Ebs?
Ebs room. Siguro, why not? Mag-ebs ka dyan. Welcome, welcome. And there's this awesome view of Lake Cebu. Awesome. Wow. Look at that. And the race for pictorials over there. Wow. And there's a lot of tilapia and ponds where they culture tilapia fish, where this place is famous for. This is Joan of Arc, and that was Punta Isla here at Lake Cebu. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching.